Hello friend, in this video we will discuss fifth industrial revolution, the future where human and machine work together with the empathy, ethics and purpose. So the fifth industrial revolution or industry 5.0 is not just about the smarter machines, it's about the combining the human creativity and emotional intelligence with the power of technology. So unlike the industrial 4.0 which generally focuses mainly on the automation and the efficiency, and this industry 5.0 it is the updated version of the 4.0, and it is generally focuses on the human centric, yeah, means it is human centric technology, and it is focusing on the personalization, sustainability and well-being. So it's about the human and robot working together. Now let's quickly look at the journey of the industrial revolution. So first industrial revolution it is happened in 70s, and it is about the power or the steam engine where they focuses on the mechanization. And in the second revolution, electricity mass production in 80s, and generally focuses on the electricity and the mass production like efficiency. And in the third revolution focuses on the electronics component and the computer in 90s and 70s. And in fourth revolution in 2010, after that, so automation and AI boom, and internet of things. And fifth revolution on 2020 onwards, so AI plus human intelligence, we are focusing on the AI plus human intelligence. So these are the some main features of the fifth industrial revolution, like human and machine collaboration. Like a machine supports but human lead. Okay, so here this technology or AI will not replace completely. So here this machine supports, this technology supports us, and we need to lead. So yeah, this is correct, we need to upgrade with this technology. And second is the personalized production, means products made to match the individual needs, and custom, like custom shoes, personalized healthcare, so customization will be there. And green and sustainable technology, like eco-friendly methods, circular economy and reduces this carbon footprint. And this focus on the well-being, employee happiness, mental health and ethical working environment. And the creative empowerment, like artist, thinker and the designer now use the AI tool to create the better, faster and smarter. So we need to use these all the AIs for our reducing the effort, and some to create the, to increase the creativity. So some companies already this revolution started in 2020s. After 2020, so industry 5.0 it already started. So some major companies working on this one, like Tesla, OpenAI and Japanese Society 5.0, the same thing, national vision for the super smart home centered society. So the challenges, like of course with the great power comes great responsibility. So fifth industrial revolution must handle the AI ethics and data privacy, job replacement versus human reskilling, global tech inequality, mental health in the tech driven environment. The goal is not just progress, it's responsible progress actually. So in the fifth industrial revolution, we are not building a future for robot. So we are building the future for humans and machine working together with empathy, creativity and responsibility. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.